I'm Ricky from Campos Coffee. I head up education and wholesale here in Salt Lake City, Utah. Campos started in 2002 in Sydney and has been a big part of the specialty industry since that time. And I'm here with the dudes at St. Anthony's Industries at their workshop here in Salt Lake City, and we're looking at making cafe quality coffee more achievable at home. So today we're going to be using Campos' Superior blend. It's a very sweet blend with plenty of red fruits and citrus in it, so we're hoping to get this out of the Breville machine today. Alright, to get started, remove the portafilter from the group head. Use a clean microfiber cloth to wipe out any moisture and dirt. Place the portafilter into the grinder. Your coffee grounds should sit approximately half an inch above the edge of the basket. Once finished grinding, remove the portafilter, give it gentle claps on the bench to help settle any coffee grounds. Use a distribution tool to help even out the density of the coffee. Tamp nice and flat with just enough pressure from your arm. There's no need to use your body weight and crush the coffee. The coffee should sit approximately 1/4 of an inch from the top of the basket. That way when the coffee gets wet, it's got just enough room to expand without the water trying to force a fracture through the coffee puck. Put it in, hit the double shot. Your espresso should start with plenty of restriction at the beginning. Dark and syrupy with a few drips tells you that the water hasn't found a quicker way through it. And it should take around 25 to 30 seconds to pull. Before you start your milk, purge any excess moisture out of your steam wand. Start with the steam wand slightly submerged and just off center to create a nice vortex when you turn it on. Let it rip. When you begin, you want your steam to just break the surface of the milk to allow small bubbles to form. These are called micro bubbles or microfoam. Once your milk's hot enough or you've got enough microfoam on top, submerge your steam tip further just to keep it mixing. Once it's too hot for your hand, count to about 5 or 6 seconds and turn your steam wand off. Wipe it down with a wet cloth. Make sure you begin to pour quickly to avoid any milk separation. Start with a thin, steady stream. Pour quicker as it fills. Move the jug side to side, get close at the end, and pour something cool. Check out our other videos to continue learning some more espresso basics.